வணக்கம். லைஃப் ஸ்டெப் இங்கிலீஷ். Sounds of the alphabet. Phonics for kids. Reading practice with Tamil sound. A apple. A B ball. B C cat. C D dog. D E egg. E F fish. F G goat. G H egg. Hen. H egg. I ink. I J jug. J K kid. K kid. L lip. L M mango. M N nose. N O orange. O P peacock. P Q queen. Q R rabbit. R rabbit. S sun. S sun. T television. T U umbrella. U umbrella. V van. V W watch. W X Max tree. X Y ace. Y Z zebra. Z நன்றி.